Very short and quick video. I know the air is very weird in here tonight, and I'm coming in and out in color. But the sky tonight was thundering and lightning. Yet there was really no clouds in the sky, only underneath the moon. The lightning was following the moon. Boom, boom, boom. The moon was moving. Boom, boom, boom. The moon is moving. Boom, boom, boom. No lightning anywhere else. The lightning was falling and really, really bright, like a ship light went on and off. Energy on and off. It was crazy. It was really crazy. What I want to talk about is the three little pigs. If it was three male pigs, then they would have three penises and six balls. 3 and 6 is almost like three hearts. If it was three females, the sows, right? First of all, if there wasn't a female and, you know, the three little pigs, if they needed a male and two females, at least he can impregnate and get more babies. Otherwise, if they, you know, blow the house down, anyways. The sow has 18 breasts or nipples. So you need 3 sows to equal to the sun. You need 4 sows to equal to 72 parts. Okay, times 5 equals 360 degrees. Times 4 is 1,440 minutes in a day. So you need 54 times 2 equals 108. Times 2 again equals to 216. 54 would be the 3 pigs. 54 would be the 3 pigs. 54 would be the 3 pigs, and 54 would be the 3 pigs. It would equal to a combination of powers of 2 suns, and 18 times 18 and 18 once, 18 and 18 twice, 18, 18, 18. It has to happen 4 times, and then in between the 4 times, it has to happen one more time over here. How it works is, what happens is this joins the center and this joins the center. We will get this plus the center plus half of this in order to equal our scenario. But this is only one. We need one here. I need one down here. I need a group here. I need a group here. And then I have to put my group in the center. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then one group in the center, 25. And then 5, 10, 15, 20. There's 4 areas. But we're going to use this one, this one, this one, and this one. This will duplicate, and it'll leave me a free area here, 1. A free area here, 2. Why a free area? Because I will reuse these 2 over here. Let me write that down. I'm going to do this again. And this is the same way we run it on Rubik's Cube. I'm going to just design this whole thing here and here. And whoop, we have to go here and then here, and then 54, 54 times 54, 54 times. Okay, I never write nice when I go fast. We have one area 4 here and one area 4 here, and then in between here and here we have this area 4. And then in between here and here I use these 2, and I only use this one. In between 1. These 2 and these 2 come together to make 5. So here's an original 5, and then these are another 5. And then over here is my third 5. Then over here is my fourth 5. Here's my fifth 5. Here's my sixth 5, 7 5, 8 5, 9 5s. There are 9 5 situation, 45 total in here. 45 total, the 9 lives of the cat. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 is the fox. There was one thing I was thinking about. Wow. I don't have that number on me right now, do I? Yes, it was the dog. It was the dog. I want to explain this. Dog is D-O-G. Okay, it's a total of 26. Cat is a total of 24. But because we have the T over here, okay, we can automatically plus 6 or minus 6. Okay, that's why I'm going to go with T. T is the 20th. 20 now becomes 26. 26 is now the dog inside the connection of the CA, which is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 come together. The T is in the middle. For 20 comes in between. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 6, 7. God reversed. 6, 7, and 4. Only 4. 4, this is 6. 6 and 1 is 7. 4 and 3. 1 and 3 is the reverse of these two. Over here, C and A go with D and O. D-O-C-A. So you would put T and G go together for 27. And DO equals to 4, 19, 20, 23 equals to the 50. WBG, win big. 11, this will equal to 23. 7 times 2, 7 plus 2 will be 14 and 9, 23. So the cat and the dog fit into each other. Now let me show you what I'm going to do. Since we have two houses, cat and dog, let's divide this 26, 13 and 13. How do we create this? Well, we create this from 28, the cycle of the moon. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 plus 8 is 10, equals to 26. But because there is a 10, the 26 would go to 32, and that would be the doorway. But we have dog, and we're only going to stay here. 26, 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 3 is 4. 2 13s in the first house. 1 and 3 and 1 and 3. How do I know the first house? Because it's 0, 3, 0, 1. Add 0, 3 with 6 becomes 9. This becomes 7 and 9 equals to 16. 1 and 6 equals to 7. 7 and 20, 27. 27. Same amount. Now we're going to go again. Cat equals to 24. Divided by two houses in cat, 12 and 12. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 2 is 3. DC. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 is 3 and 4. 2 is inside of 3. The reason we have 3, 5, 7, 1, 5, 9. This is 4 away and this is 4 away. This is only 2 away. And the reason it's 2 away is because inside of here, okay, is this. And the arrow is going right in. There is 1. There is 3 inside this one over here. There's a 2 inside of here. There's no 2 inside of here. The only time 2 comes inside of here is when it becomes this area here and this area here, 6 and 8. 2 and 4. 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 4 is 5. Goodbye. Goodbye to these. We don't need these anymore. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, and 4. 4, 5, because 4 is inside 5. 2 is inside 3. 1 and 2 is gone. 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 1, 4 is the bad cat, and that's gone. The total here is 45 minus 7 is 38. We run under the church of Saturn. 3 by 8, 3 plus 8 is the initials STN. 20, 34, 44, 53. Plus 6 minus 6, 59 and 47. Time of Neptune. Einstein, 9 times 5 is 45. 45 by 8. 8 is the white ghost. 8 numbers surrounding 1. It's this way, right? Enter and do not enter. See this circle over here? Well, in reality, if you like it, look, this is Saturn. I'm telling you, this is Saturn right over here. This is Saturn right there. You can see him flying, right? What happened to that pen? This is Saturn if you make your designs big enough. So this is the difference between dog and cat. Now, in this one over here, your greatest number to 13 is the 13 is a reflection of 1 and 6. Why is it a reflection of 1 and 6? Where's that calculator again? Because 1 to 6, 6 to 7, 13. 9 to 4, 4 to 3. 3, 4, 7, 9, 4, 13. This is the answer. Reading this and its truth, the 9 lives of the cat, the pig has its mammilla, its titties on each side of the chest. And inside the chest is the nipple. Inside the chest. This is where you go pee on one side and you poop on the other side. Have you ever seen Venus? Wouldn't this be Venus? Here's the B letter, right? She's a long schlong over here, Venus. 5, 5, 5. She's separated, right? Look at the 5s. You see the V separated 2 sides? But when you go over like this, right? If you take a look, she's an X. She's an X here and she's an X here. She's also crossing here as a plus or an X, taken on the angle. An X over here, an X over here, an X over here. 10 times 10 times 10. Right? 10 times 10 times 10. This makes half. This is half. 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000. And then you do this one. 10 times 10 times 10 is 2,000. 2,000, 4 by 4, 2016. The fish crosses right through in Pisces. This is your Venus. Here are your separation between the left side and the right side. Remember, we need to be electronic angels. We need to be the receivers. And we need to send. We need memory. Where do we store memory, although you don't see it? Our whole life is based on memory. Where am I going? Where am I coming from? What do I need? Where am I going? Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Another thing I wanted to speak about was this formation. We begin here. This is the center to everything. Before anything begins, if we start on the right side, we go 1, 2, 3. This becomes 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start here. This becomes 0. We start here 1. You go here 1. You go here 1. You go here 2. You go here 2. This is your balance of numbers. 0, 5, 0. Between 0 and 0, what is the center? It's 5. Anyways, let me stop this now. Raphael 7286, constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.